If you're looking for an affordable laptop for students, office work, online classes, or everyday use, then this might be the perfect option for you. Today we're checking out the ASUS Vivobook Go 15, model L1504FA, powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor. Let's see what this laptop offers, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your money. The ASUS Vivobook Go 15 comes in a stylish mixed black finish that looks clean and professional. It has a slim profile measuring just 17.9mm thick and weighs only 1.63 kilograms, making it easy to carry in a backpack or laptop bag. Another useful feature is the 180-degree lay-flat hinge, allowing the display to open completely flat, making it easier to share your screen during meetings or group projects. Despite being a budget laptop, ASUS has certified it with the US MIL-STD 810H military-grade durability standard, giving you extra confidence for daily use. On the front, you get a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS-Level display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The screen offers anti-glare coating, 60 Hz refresh rate, 250 nits brightness, 45% NTSC color coverage. This display is ideal for web browsing, watching YouTube, attending online classes, and working with office applications. Powering this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, paired with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD. For daily tasks, performance is smooth and responsive. You can comfortably handle Microsoft Office, Google Chrome with multiple tabs, Zoom and Microsoft Teams meetings, online learning, Netflix and YouTube streaming, basic Photoshop work, light photo editing. Boot times are fast thanks to the SSD, and applications open quickly. Graphics are handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 610M GPU, which is suitable for casual gaming and multimedia tasks. Battery. The Vivobook Go 15 comes with a 42Wh 3-cell battery. For normal productivity tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and video streaming, you can expect around 5 to 7 hours of battery life, depending on your usage and brightness settings. Connectivity. The Vivobook Go 15 offers a good selection of ports. USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 2.0 Type A, HDMI 1.4, 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo jack. Keyboard and touchpad. One feature I really like is the ASUS ErgoSense Backlit keyboard. The keys have comfortable travel and provide a satisfying typing experience, making long typing sessions much more comfortable. The touchpad is responsive and accurate for everyday navigation. 720p HD webcam. A feature that's becoming increasingly important is the built-in privacy shutter. For wireless connectivity, you also get Wi-Fi 6E Bluetooth 5.3. Thanks to ASUS Sonic Master combined with DTS audio processing, the speakers produce loud, clear sound with improved voice clarity. Overall, the ASUS Vivobook Go 15 is an excellent budget laptop for students, office workers, teachers, and anyone who needs a reliable everyday computer. It offers fast performance, a comfortable keyboard, good portability, useful security features, and plenty of connectivity options. If your main tasks include studying, office work, browsing the internet, video streaming, and light multitasking, this laptop delivers excellent value for its price.